Hello, I'm Dr. Mridula, consultant, fertility specialist, 49 Hospital, Secunderabad. Today I'll be discussing a frequently asked question in our OPD. Very frequently asked, almost like 1 in every 4 patients will be asking the same question. And I thought maybe the other patients are also having the same question in their mind, so that if I discuss this answer will be useful to the other people also. So the question is, after the sexual intercourse, the semen sample, there is a leakage of the semen sample after the intercourse. So will this affect my fertility, or is this the reason for my infertility? So the answer is absolutely not, because there will be millions of sperms in the semen sample, and all of them or most of them will be motile, progressively motile, that is they will be moving forwards. As these are progressively motile, the sperm sample which gets deposited around the cervix in the vagina, the sperms in the sample will swim up. They will be moving into the uterus and then through the fallopian tubes and then fertilize the ovum. So the excess semen sample that is deposited in the vagina, as it's a liquid thing, it gets leaked out. So this happens in almost all the individuals, and that is a normal thing. So no need to worry at all. So the only tip to increase the pregnancy chances in the individuals who are suffering from subfertility, the only tip I give is, immediately after intercourse, do not wash the excess sample with water and especially with the soap, because these will kill the sperms. So just lie down for at least 10 to 15 minutes after the sexual activity, and then you can just wipe the semen sample or with a tissue or some wipe, or just clean with the water, but not with the soap. This will definitely increase the chances of your pregnancy. Thank you.